morning, day 3, 64 miles today over to Bridgwater and into Somerset. So going to be hilly to start with today, the first half I think, and then a little bit easier as we get through Tiverton and into Somerset. So yeah, we'll see you on the road. We're just having a brew, packing up. It's only 10 to 7. Got my breakfast on the go. Having one of these talk breakfasts today. You just put water in them, hot or cold. Really great, 100 grams of carbs, 25 grams of protein and not a lot of fat. So they're really nice actually. And they seem to fill me up for a good few hours, which is what you need. So yeah, let's get cracking, eh? I love the little lanes, these, aren't they? Can't see out though. I'm guessing there's a lovely view to the left. Oh, there is. Beautiful view. Drenched. By the time it was spitting for a bit, we're like, I'll be alright. And then it absolutely hammered it down, and by the time we got his jackets on, it stopped again. So we just left them on for now, because there's rain about, so screw that. We've done about 8 miles today, with about 900 feet of climbing. So pretty tough to start the day, but we're plodding on, we both feel alright. So, oh yeah, raining again now. Let's crack on. Oh, right, we've done 20 miles so far today, 2,000 feet of climbing, and yeah, some of these back lanes very narrow. We just had a 3-mile diversion which involved a mile and a bit of climbing just to avoid a 20-metre stretch of flat road that was being resurfaced. The guy won't let us through, so we've been fighting with brambles. Either brambles or a head on with the tractor. Yeah, we're just about to go up this climb now. How are you feeling, love? Tired, there you go. So we've got about 10 miles to Tiverton. We'll have a break and a bite to eat, and then tends to get a little bit easier after that, but it's still going to be another near on 35 plus miles for the day. So we'll crack on and we'll get going up this climb. Yeah, probably. Right, so we've not long since rolled out of Tiverton. Probably done, what have we done? Well, actually we've done about 5 miles since Tiverton. So we've got 30 miles left and 1,000 feet of climbing today. But so it's quite a bit coming out of Tiverton, and then we're going to be dropping down for a while, a couple of lumps before Bridgwater, and then we roll into Bridgwater tonight. We've got a hotel tonight, Tretter's South. But yeah, look at that view. Beautiful, isn't it? Admitted defeat again. It's another long one. Mile climb. That's within 0.3 of the top. and it kicked again. What's that to these? My legs are nothing. Right, just come up a massive climb, haven't we? Which might have been the Welcome to Somerset climb. Not sure. We're definitely in Somerset now because I've just seen these signs and they've got SCC on top, and we just asked the woman and she said, I said, excuse me, is this Somerset? She went, right my lover. So it definitely is, isn't it? So anyway, we're in Somerset now. We've just done a massive climb, but the good thing is now we've got predominant downhill, little lump before Bridgwater. Oh god, I've got a right sweat on. So we've done 43 miles and we've got 22.8 to go today. Whew, right, let's crack on. Wow. No, well that car waited because I think that van going up was crawling, so I think he was waiting to see if there was all coming down. Yeah, there is, look. His instincts were right. Wow, this is awesome, isn't it? What a beauty. It's a huge cutting, isn't it? I don't actually mind the climb if it's like this. Echo! Not an echo. It's a beauty though. Help! Oh. Oh, take it back, I do mind the climb. Take it back, I do mind the climb. I am. Nearly there. Oh, 9 Head Hollow, that NYNE. Whew. That beauty. I just stopped for a nectarine and a drink. We're going to call the pub, but it's closed. So, nectarine and a drink it is. I'll tell you what, you've got the cycle network nailed. Quite good. Well, we've just ridden through Taunton, and my hat's off to Taunton Council because their cycling infrastructure is fantastic, absolutely awesome. Clear, well signed, wide, well maintained, well thought out, top job. Really, all cities should use this as a blueprint. Fantastic. Watch your head. Narrow, so just be careful. Hiya. You are. This is National Cycle Network number 3. Beautiful. A lovely way to end the day. Hey lads. Yeah, beauty. Oh, I love it. You've watched my channel before, you know I love cycling alongside an old canal. Awesome. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the trees. Come over the top. What's this? The pub closed. We're just at the side of the Bridgwater canal now. Lovely. Bridgwater's got excellent cycling infrastructure as well. Top job. Thank you. Just come through Bridgwater. So the bypass is pretty decent, but then they just abandon you when you got to a busy roundabout. Which was a bit of a pain, and the bike path will start again just after it. Apart from that, yeah, it was pretty good. Taunton and Bridgwater, decent effort. Not sure what this river is, look, but it's tidal. Yeah, we're nearly at our hotel, Bridgwater North, for the evening, and we're ready for a brew. I'm going to treat myself to pizza tonight, I think. Right, that's the end of day 3. 60, almost 66 miles in the end, because there was a couple of road closures today and they won't let us through, so we had to double back. One of them literally dropped us off a hillside and then a mile climb back up. So I've just been looking at the data, and actually today we did more climbing than the previous 2 days. Only by a few hundred feet, but it didn't feel as bad. And most of that, we only had about 1200 feet of climbing to do after Tiverton today, and Tiverton was at 30 miles. So I'm guessing that 4,000 feet, or the majority of it, 3,000 odd, was all in the first half. But we're at Bridgwater today, Premier Inn. So tomorrow we go up to Gloucester, so through Bristol, old railway line, through Bristol. I believe the bike path's pretty good. I've been promised they're pretty good. And then on into Gloucester. And then the day after we get to Telford to see our kids. So that'd be nice. We've got about 154 miles, I think, to get to Telford in 2 days. So the next couple of days are going to be longer, but not as hilly. So 76 miles, I think, tomorrow. 76, 77 miles, something like that. So we're both feeling alright. Legs are a little tired as they would be, and we're both feeling a bit tired, but hopefully we'll get a better night's sleep in the hotel tonight. So day 3 done. See you in the morning.